So, Randall, what's coming right now?
Green Lambo!
What do you got over there? What's your new gifts?
I like green.
Check this out. Check this out. Fresh delivery from Newport Beach. Not bad. The new Bitcoin Cash, right? This is the new Bitcoin Cash card.
Sweet!
It is
We need to change the wheel.
Mine too.
Yes.
Dad, we're going to repaint everything.
I don't know about that, dude.
We'll change the wheel.
We'll put a new logo on there, maybe. That's about it.
No, but I want to change the color.
You're walking your bag. Yep, this is Brando's new car. B, how you like your new car? You love it? You came dressed for it, didn't you? We're making it. There we go. We're back on live. We had a bad connection over here.
En este momento está trabajando la nueva nave.
B, stand under the tree.
Look at Rocky.
Stand under the tree.
Look at Rocky's color.
Beautiful. Stand under the tree.
Look at Rocky. Wow! Yeah.
Big one.
La nueva nave del Go Evo, $750,000.
That's what Bitcoin Cash looks like. That's Bitcoin Cash. Sounds good.
Esto lo pagó con Bitcoin.
Wow.
$750,000. Algo espectacular.
Bitcoin Cash is all showing itself off today.
El negocio del futuro.
Zarko, what's happening, Zarko?
El negocio del futuro.
Careful. That's right. She's a beauty.
Congratulations.
My goodness.
Thank you again for your business.
My pleasure. Man, I'm gonna have to get in there and scoop it all up.
Jump on in.
Yeah, adjust the whole seats first. How's the seat adjusted?
It's all manual, so you have to slide it back.
Completely adjustable. That's a goddamn race car. Lisa, hold this for a second.
One of the rarest things built in the factory is these carbon fiber from the factory. Inside the carbon fiber, and then this one of the only ones
Feels really, really good.
You see the boost on the screen?
Really good.
Joe, can we put it live?
It's live now.
Oh, so we can do it live then.
Yeah, this is live. Sounds really good. Hey, Gene. We are definitely going for a ride in the rain. Sounds good. Where's the other buttons at? All right, I'm gonna spend a few minutes figuring all the buttons out. All right, Sebastian, can you give me some tour in here really quick? All right, you guys, we'll catch up in a hot second.